And welcome to the PC Centre's latest video. This is going to be a demonstration of installing Windows 8, which we've acquired from the Microsoft website, and we're going to take you through step by step our first installation on just a normal dual-core desktop, the installation procedure itself, and what we think of it. We've not seen it before. So let's get the CD in and let's get this started. Right, so we've got the CD in now that we've downloaded from the Microsoft website, Windows 8 pre-release, and we've got the CD burnt off. It's about a 4 gig disk. Got it in the drive now, and it's obviously starting. Okay, so we're going to tell it, looks like we're going to tell it we're in the UK, and tell it to install. Now we need to give it the license key that we've got. Okay, so we're going to click next. Terms and conditions, of course we agree. Custom install, 250 gig drive. And now, very similar to Windows 7 install, this is now installing, expanding the files, installing features, and so on. So we'll leave that and we'll come back to that in a minute. Okay, so now we're asking if we want to personalise. We change the colours. You can change colours to whatever you want. Go for a nice blue, matches the PC Centre's logo, and computer name, and we will call this my computer. Do next. Settings. Just going to have a look, see what we can do. So on the settings we can do automatic updates, get device drivers automatically, and get device apps, so they're software updates, which is quite cool, so you can separate the two. Help to using Smart Filter and use Windows Smart Filter with apps, just like you did in Windows 7. So we'll leave all that there. Now this is talking about sending information back to Microsoft on websites. Just see if I can zoom in a little bit, just so you can see. That's readable. Help improve Windows by sending URLs, contents that apps use. Help send malicious software to Microsoft. Improve location where apps data is stored. Participate in customer feedback, so on and so on. So Microsoft are obviously becoming a little bit proactive there and wanting to know how things are getting onto computers or where they're coming from. Check for online if you have an issue. Does you want to go online? Share my information. Use the account names and so on. So we're just going to go next on that, and we're going to give it a name, and the name is going to be PC Centre. And we'll click finish. So it now says it's preparing. Your PC will be ready in just a moment, apparently. Got the little spinny logo. Ooh, and there we go. That is the new Windows 8 Metro look. Designed for touchscreens, designed to make it look like the Kinect dashboard, on the new mobile phones. Everything is large pictures, large font, designed for touchscreens. Oh, I'm not surprised we've got Xbox Live games menu option. So, give it a bit of internet and then we'll see what we can do. Okay, so I've just plugged in the network cable and we've got this message now. It knows there's a cable there and it says, do you want to turn on sharing or connect to devices? So this is making it easier to allow people to share home networks and so on. So we're going to say no at the moment. And we're going to go to Internet Explorer. And there is the new home page. It takes up the whole of the screen. Preferences. All powered by Bing, interestingly. No, that's Microsoft, but you don't get a normal settings page. It looks like it's powered by Bing itself. So, okay, so let's just go back. I'll just put in the PCCenter.biz, which is our website. And there we go, there's our website up and running. You can go to the website, we've got a Twitter feed on there, we're uploading videos, we've got Gadget Show 2012 from the UK videos, and lots of nice things on our website. So, let's have a look and see what else we can find in Windows 8. Right, so to get back to this dashboard, you just press the Windows key on the keyboard. Seems like they've removed the Alt tab or Windows tab to scroll around programs, which isn't a good idea. So let's go and have a look at Mail. Sign in with Microsoft account. Right, so I'm just putting our mail for our test email server and it doesn't want to work for some reason. Might be a limitation in the beta, but I'll go through the settings a little bit later on and just check that everything's okay. Everything's right, everything should be okay, but for some reason it doesn't work. So we'll press the Windows key to go back to the desktop as it was known, or the dashboard as it's now known, and we'll have a look what we've got under messaging. So this is going to use MSN Messenger. It's logged me in automatically. You can log in, you can add people using Facebook as well by the look of it. Okay, so let's have a look at what else we've got on this new beta version of Windows 8. So we've got News. It's got the little loading. It's going to be Bing News probably. Got scroll bar. You can scroll left and right. Okay, Windows key. But what you can also do is you can press the desktop button at the bottom, and it takes you to what we would probably prefer as the Windows desktop, but you're limited to what you can do on it. Okay, so we're going to have a look at the store now, up in the top right. The store looks like it's trying to be similar to the iTunes store on Apple. You've got different categories, you've got games. Some of these obviously come from the Apple platform, like Fruit Ninja and Cut the Rope. Twitter, social media, entertainment, photos, music, sports, books, Kindles on there. Health and fitness, food, dining, lots and lots of categories. So it looks like it's trying to sort of compete against the Apple store, but for Windows programs. So let's have a look at Tweetro, which is a Twitter app, and we've got an install button. Brilliant. So we need to log in to MSN. And in the top corner it says that it's installing, and it says it's installed. So if we now press there, we've got a new program, Tweetro. So that's just installed it to the dashboard directly from the App Store. So I say that's competing against the iTunes store with Apple, who's got. It's just an easy way to get programs. That looks quite nice. Quite like that. It's about time Windows had something where you could just download programs from the internet without having to do all the googling and the searching. And I think that is about as much as we're going to go into on this video. So we've just done a complete new installation of Windows 8 Beta on a new machine. Took about 20 minutes for it to start to finish, for it to install it. And check out our next videos where we'll go into a little bit more depth on some of the programs that come with it. Don't forget, subscribe, www.youtube.com/Weaver Computers.